Welcome back to the channel, guys. Ripple fans have had a major reason to celebrate lately. The SEC finally agreed to dismiss its appeal in the long-running lawsuit against Ripple, a case that's dragged on for over 4 years. Everyone thought that this was the moment that XRP would finally blast off. And sure, the price jumped a bit, hitting $2.60, but then it cooled back down to around $2.37. So now investors are left wondering, why isn't XRP mooning? And that's what I want to focus more on in today's video. Before that, though, I do want to share a little bit about BTCC. You can find a link to this exchange down in the description below. There is no VPN necessary, no KYC necessary. It's been around for 13 years. You can get up to 500 leverage and also over 300 cryptocurrencies. If you use that link down in the description below, you can get a 10% deposit bonus up to $500 USDT. And you can actually earn other bonuses all the way up to $10,055. So if you want to research this more, if you'd like to get started, you can find the link to that down in the description below. Okay, so on the Good Morning Crypto Show, the host, Abdullah Abs Nassif, nailed the question that's been on everyone's mind. Even casual holders, like his friend's grandpa who checks XRP news daily, are confused. This felt like the moment XRP had been waiting for, but the price hasn't taken off like people hoped. According to Johnny Crypto, co-founder of Merlin, the reason is pretty simple. The market already saw this coming. Back in November, XRP surged from 50 cents to $2.50 based on the expectation that Ripple would come out on top. And Johnny explained that markets are always ahead of the news. Traders had already bet on a win, so once it became official, there wasn't much room left for another big pop. If the SEC had pushed forward with the appeal, XRP might have crashed instead, Johnny said. But since traders already positioned themselves, the price stayed pretty flat when the news dropped. So now's the big question, what's next for XRP? With the legal baggage gone, or at least almost gone, Ripple has to prove its real-world value. The lawsuit being dropped is a win, but it's not a ticket to instant gains. Johnny said it best. Now the monkey is off their back. What matters now is utility, adoption, and fresh capital coming in. So, what might push XRP up from here? A few things. Tokenization, cross-border payments, and central bank digital currency, or CBDC projects. These are all areas where Ripple is already active, and any big deals in those sectors could light a fire under XRP's price. Analyst Mario chimed in too, saying that XRP has finally found a new base around $2. That's a big deal considering how long it was stuck under $1 during the legal drama. But just like Johnny, he pointed out that the real key to future growth is institutional investment and utility. Now, here's where things get a little more complicated. Even though Ripple has announced that the SEC dropped its appeal, the SEC hasn't made an official public statement about it yet. That's left some XRP enthusiasts scratching their heads. Why the delay? Well, Eleanor Terrett, host of the Crypto America podcast, explained what's going on. She said the SEC has agreed to dismiss the appeal, but it still needs to approve the decision internally before issuing a press release. The agency handles matters like this behind closed doors, literally in their private meetings. These meetings usually happen on Thursdays, but oddly enough, the SEC didn't schedule one this week. The next one is set for Thursday, March 27th, and that's when Terrett expects the Ripple dismissal to be officially confirmed. So yes, Ripple said it's done, but until the SEC puts out that public statement, some people are holding their breath. And here's another twist. While the SEC's appeal is done, the case itself isn't fully over. Ripple still has a cross appeal in play. They're challenging a court decision related to XRP sales to institutional clients. The court had ordered Ripple to pay a $125 million fine and slapped them with a permanent injunction for violating securities laws. And Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse hinted that they're in talks with the SEC to negotiate the fine and injunction. And if that works out, or if the SEC offers a better deal, Ripple might also drop their cross appeal. That would officially close the book on this years-long legal battle. So for now, XRP's price might not be skyrocketing, but that doesn't mean the story is over. The legal pressure is easing, and if Ripple can start landing major deals, XRP could still surprise everyone. Just don't expect it to happen overnight. Let me know how you guys feel about XRP down in the comments below. And again, you're more than welcome to do some research or get started with BTCC. You can find my referral link down in the description below. And also you can find me over on Blue Sky. I'm at Crypto Atlas there. Direct link down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and feel free to share this with your friends, anybody that you think might be interested in hearing some of the latest going on with XRP and Ripple. Thank you to my Patreon supporters, and also thank you to my YouTube members. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.